Welcome home, welcome to this Anbani house. Here we go, welcome. Not even kidding, I'm so excited for you all to see this space because this is my first interior project. Very excited about it. I'm not a professional interior person, but everything that you see here has been either decided by me, mostly decided by me 90%, a little bit decided by my mom and a little bit decided by my dad, but this is the Sindhwani house. The first room that I'm taking you guys to is my living room. I love this room honestly because it is so open, it is breathable and it has so much natural light. This room like screams something modern, something minimalistic, something classy, yet with a hint of tradition. With a few bits and pieces kept here and there, I'm going to take you through everything. Starting the living room with this beautiful lampshade which I got from Ritu Kumar Home. I love this lampshade. Ritu Kumar Home, by the way, does fabulous pieces. You will see in this room, you will actually find a lot of pieces which is so unique because a lot of research work has gone into it. So I love this lampshade. It has a little bit of gradation here. And you know what? You will see these golden accents in everything that I have in my house. So the drawing room is actually divided into 3 sitting corners. This one is like a more entry sort of a sitting space. I love that there is a white marble here and we've added a pop of color with this Ritu Kumar cushion, and this is like my old sofa that was there in the previous house as well. And you know what my favorite thing about this room is our family portraits. I love it so much. I actually got this made by my viewer. She is so super talented. Her name is Sonal. I'm going to leave her Instagram ID right here. She actually custom made these portraits and the frames, which are beautiful by the way. I wanted some really good quality frames, and जब हम family portraits को frames में लगाते हैं, I don't want like those plasticky wooden things coming in. I wanted like metallic frames properly, and these were all by Ethereal Interiors. The next is my bar setup. I love this bar. It has fit so perfectly. I was very concerned कि ये bar कहाँ जाएगा, but it fits so perfectly here, and I don't use it at all. I'm 25 but I still don't use it. This is like one of those really chill spaces. It doesn't even look like a bar. It looks like a proper like furniture piece kept here. I love that this decor is so minimal on the bar, like it doesn't feel like a bar anyway. I love how I've decorated my little bar setup with candles. I'm obsessed with candles, guys. You will see that in the entire house. I'm obsessed with candles and I'm obsessed with good vases. Like for me, I cannot have just like those old boring vases. So most of the time what I do is I spray paint glasses, very sophisticated, very unique glasses to convert them into vases. But this one is from actually Casa Decor. I love it. I think it's fit perfectly. And in the entire house, we have a lot of real planters, but these are fake because you know what? अगर इतने सारे real planters होंगे ना तो कोई take care नहीं कर पाएगा. This is our main sitting space where generally me and my family and everybody who comes in sit. This is the space that we all chill in because we get like direct sunlight at this space, and this is my favorite sofa because this is also a one-seater. Like I sit with my laptop, I just chill here. I'm going to take you through everything that is there in this space. Again, a Ritu Kumar lamp. Lamps like these, like such big lamps are such signature lamps. They really make a huge lot of difference. And again, the same cushion which kind of adds a little bit of color in this space. And just to add and match the color, we have these artificial planters right here. I love how I've done these planters. By the way, I found this insane place in Chhatarpur which is called 7 Star. It is this magical land where you get all of these artificial plants, all of these vases for like dirt cheap prices. I don't even know why people spend like at home center and like insane home decor stores because they overcharge. I got all of these planters for like 50-60 bucks per laddi and it was crazy. I love this little space. I'm obsessed with pampas grass. I think it adds such an amazing vibe and aesthetic to the entire space. If you have nothing to keep in your little space or your little corner, add pampas grass and add just a normal looking vase. Like this was like our old vase that I reused. My mother was supposed to throw this away, but I reused it and added some pampas to it. By the way, all of this pampas I actually got from Himachal. I was traveling to Tirthan Valley and I got all of these pampas. So, you know, we have a little bit of India everywhere. Dad completely insisted on us having a TV in the living room because he was like, I need to watch my news, I need to watch my sports. So here's the TV. The next corner is absolutely my favorite color because this corner mein bahut sare colors hain. There's a planter. You can see there are a lot of planters and lot of greenery in like empty spaces. And this pampas grass, which I love. I love this center table, which is like this very designer. You can't really use it because it's a low-lying center table, but this is such a great spot to have like coffee or tea. And since these are yellow chairs, like sofa chairs, I added some white bohemian, very minimal cushions that are from Thyarki. I love the brand, man. They make some really amazing custom pieces, and I got a lot of the cushions in my house from Thyarki because they do make custom pieces. We're back at the entrance. There is a console table right next to it. This is where we keep our keys. By the way, most of the furniture that you're seeing is from this place called Reuse It. It's in Chhatarpur, MG Road wala, and I love the decor of this as well. This was actually a gift at our housewarming party. These candle stands I got from the same place, Chhatarpur. It's insane. You guys really need to go to that Chhatarpur place. I'm going to leave more information in the description. Just having these rare essence candles and the star shine of this place is of course the mirror, which I got custom made. I actually saw this design on Pinterest because a lot of research work actually happened on Pinterest. So this one was made by Ethereal Interiors. They're the best, man. Like everything that these guys have made, and you know, that's the big thing. When you get an interior designer on board to actually source more things and custom make pieces according to your home needs, it's the best because you don't know half of the things कहाँ से मिलेंगी, कहाँ से हमें चीजें बनवानी चाहिए, mirrors कहाँ से बनवाने चाहिए. All of these crazy ideas were possible because we got like these amazing people on board. I love my dining table. It's the place where we of course eat, and in our family, you know, eating at dining table is super important. I know in a lot of families people just eat in their rooms and stuff. This is the space where our family bonds. It's very important for us to have our meals together, which is why we wanted like a big ass dining table. The decor that you see on the table is all from Ritu Kumar. The table runner and the table mats, all from Ritu Kumar. These guys make some really unique stuff which looks very royal, which is why I wanted to get like a lot of things from Ritu Kumar. By the way, the centerpiece that you see, all of these flowers are actually from Store 99. I went to the Store 99 in Pacific Mall in Tagore Garden. This is where I got all of these things from. That is actually a little jar which I converted it into a vase. You know what? When you see something very nice, you can totally change it. There are no rules to decor. My Ollie also has something very special in the new house, which is this beautiful thing to keep his water and keep his food. This is also from Casa Decor. I know a lot of dog lovers and dog owners will ask me about this, so this is from Casa Decor. This is the kitchen. My mom is hard at work. Gudiya is hard at work. Ollie is also hard at work. I'm not going to show much of the kitchen because this is my mom's territory. So this is just the overview of the kitchen. Oh la la, I love this space. This is my chilling space, my lounge area. I love this so much. Also, this is my design, like I show off this place. Lounge area is the place to show off. I love this black couch again from Reuse It. All of these beautiful cushions that you see, again mismatched. Mismatched is kind of the theme here, if you can see. This is from Thyarki. Love them. Again, custom made. I love that there is a pop of yellow which kind of breaks the black, but the idea of a black sofa is the best. These frames that you see which kind of add to the black sofa are from Ethereal Interiors. They got this made. Amazing stuff, you guys. I'm not kidding. Ethereal Interiors are absolutely insane. These girls are so talented. Again, I wanted to add another pop of color, another signature chair. This is actually super trendy. I love how, you know, it feels like I'm sitting on a throne or something. I'm like a queen, and I feel like a queen on this. Again, from Reuse It. The planters that are right next to my beautiful chair are from Ethereal Interiors again. This lamp actually is also from Ethereal Interiors. I love the idea of having some copper accents in this space along with some gold accents. I think copper any which ways looks super modern and super like in trend. Who said you can't get good stuff from Amazon? I legit got this carpet from Amazon. La 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 la. kabhi mandir aur mandir. Puja. This is our puja zone, of course, very spiritual Hindu family, believing in Mata. You know, it's great. Now let's go to the master bedroom, which is, of course, my room and the land of the princesses, the land of the queen. Let's go. Well, this is my room. I freaking love it. This is the best room I could have ever imagined. This is so spacious. It's my dream room. I legit feel like I'm living in an Airbnb. I'm that obsessed with this room. I think everything just flows so easily. A little bit of my furniture hasn't come yet, but you guys will see the clippings a little later. And here's the bed. Oh my god, like this literally this bed attracts you to sleep. This is such a comfy bed. All of the decor, all of the bed linen that you see is from AA Living. I love the brand. It's a homegrown brand. Love it because they make some really good quality stuff. If you want some really quality stuff, AA Living is the place to be. Actually, सारी चीजों की quality बहुत amazing है. तो मैं आपको जो भी recommend कर रही हूँ, trust me, like I said, lot of research has gone into it. Guys, look at this rug. It just flows. It's every girl's bohemian dream. It literally flows with the entire theme of the room. And I do have a lot of like beige, white, and grey accents in the room. For some reason, everything just goes together. I'll tell you why it goes together. Because I never went like over the top. I still kept it super minimalistic. It is from Attirel. I legit wanted one of these vintage looking mirrors for the longest time, and something that actually looks really good and looks very, you know, classy. And I didn't want one of those jhatak golden colors that kind of take over the entire room. So I got this made from this brand called Cumin Decor. These guys, again, fabulous brand, fabulous stuff. They make some really good stuff. Like, they range from a lot of things. They do too many things. You have to check out Cumin Decor. They actually custom made this piece for me in the exact shade that I wanted it. Next to it, there is a planter. Of course, in every aesthetic room, there has to be a planter, and there is an artificial plant over it. The planter and the plant are both from Mason Home. I actually found this website which has some really good planters and plants that make your room look super aesthetic. Coming to the next part of my room, which is this really cozy space, which is perfect for reading or just chilling or working on your laptop. I got this tub chair made again from the same brand that we got all of our furniture made from. This is again, I wanted this plant for the longest time. I think it's called Bird of Paradise or Birds of Paradise. And again, this is from Mason Home. The planter is also from Mason Home. Very minimalistic, looks really good and ties the entire look together. And the starshine, of course, of this space is this really nice roof lamp, which is from Orange Tree. Love the brand. I think it's such a minimalistic yet such a unique brand. They make some really designer stuff like designer lamps, and for lighting and lamps, I think they're the best. For the bedside, we have like a planter and a candle on one side. On the next side, we have a lamp which I need before going to sleep. This is from Casa Decor. This little poofy chair, which is so super comfortable and super aesthetic again, is from Mason Home. This is going to go underneath my dressing table. You know, when I was saving like Pinterest ideas on what kind of room I wanted, I always wanted these really arty looking portraits on my wall. And there's a viewer who actually made these for me. Her name's Shreya. I'm going to leave her handle right here. Such a gorgeous job with 3 of my pictures, just making such beautiful portraits that kind of go with the flow of the entire room. They also have like tints of grey and white in them. Super minimal. Are you all ready for the bathroom of your dreams? Like legit, the bathroom of your dreams. This is it. It's literally a deal breaker if the bathroom isn't like this. This is the bathroom of your dreams. Honestly, I wanted this master bedroom ka bathroom only because it has a tub chair. Can you imagine a tub chair? I'm gonna like literally live in it. Abhi tak use nahi kiya, but very shortly. It has some golden accents as well. The entire decor is very grey, white, very granite, all of this marble sort of a feel, but with golden accents like this tissue holder. I've gone really overboard with the decor, including the tissue holder which I got from Amazon. This little area has a vase which is from Casa Decor. It has some Pampers, of course. Acha, before I forget, anybody who wants really good towels and any bathroom accessory like this bathroom mat, you need to go to AA Living. AA Living does the best stuff. I'm not even kidding, you guys really need to try them. I love this little corner. Again, all of these artificial planters are from that Chhatopur place. This basket which I use as a laundry basket was a gift from Cumin, of course. And this wall clock I got from Store 99, which is is from Pacific Mall. I got this plant holder made from cumin again in this grey golden accent, because like you can see the entire house has a very grey and gold feel to it. It looks very minimalistic, and you know what, it matches the entire house. So you will see like 5 of these placed here and there. The next room is again one of my favorite rooms from the house. This is actually my sister's room. A lot of people didn't know this, but I have a real sister. Her name is Manvi. It is her room, and my nephew's room, of course. This room has such a bohemian yet very minimal yet very modern vibe. She's not very boho kind of a person, but because I was doing the interiors of the entire house, I have my taste and my accents in the entire house, which is why you can see very, very Pinteresty corners, because a lot of the decor ideas were of course taken from the Pinterest. Again, if you're planning to do up your house, make sure that you make a lot of Pinterest boards. It really helps. The star shine of this room is of course this wallpaper. I wasn't a fan of wallpapers before, because I always thought, you know, they would look tacky. I never found the right wallpaper until I came across this brand, a wallpaper brand, which is called UDC Homes. They have the best literal global international level wallpapers, something that actually makes your room come to life, you know. These kind of wallpapers, one, they add such a dimension. They never go out of style. They're trendy, but they're classic, and they are amazing in quality. Like, look at these guys. For the bed decor, we have some Thyarki. Again, cushions. Love these guys. They made such amazing cushions. I mean, look at the embroidery. This is all handwork done. I gave her a lot of ideas, again, custom made. I gave her a lot of ideas that I want such kind of cushions. So she really, really did come through. This throw blanket is from Cumin. Love this throw blanket. It's so soft. It's so fuzzy. Not for this weather ideally, but agar aapko throw blanket pehnne mein maza aata hai, this is your go-to. Of course, when you have a TV cabinet, which is completely empty and there is no TV, you fill it up with some magazines, some candles, and some vases, which is what I did. And both of these magazines actually have me. One of these magazines have me on the cover. So this is great. I wanted to keep this here. Also, my sister is obsessed with anything editorial, so she loves it. I love this corner as well. You know, this is the accent that kind of highlights the entire room. Having lamps like this, especially floor lamps, really adds so much to the space. And you know what? When you get like designer, very unique pieces like this, it really, really amps up the room. This is from Orange Tree. Hello there. We are in my mom and dad's room. I love this room. There's so much tradition in it. You know, they're old school. They wanted some old school accents, which is why for their entire decor, I have gone with a lot of Ritu Kumar. Of course, these are from Ritu Kumar. This is from Ritu Kumar. This is from Mason Home. I love this bed cover, which is so beautiful, so comfortable, and you know, very elegant. Again, the entire accent is between beige, very, very earthy colors, something which has a very earthy undertone. I love this room because it's so different from the rest of the rooms, and it really speaks about their taste. Here's a balcony which is connected to mom's room. Mom always wanted like her own balcony, just actually kapde sukte hain, but this is still her balcony. She actually has like a cup of tea or coffee in the morning. She like does her yoga stuff also here, so like this is her own space. Welcome to my dad's room. Actually, his Zumba space, his own space. Of course, men need their own little space to, you know, do their own thing, have their own cupboard. This is essentially like a guest room / dad's room. There are 2 guest rooms. Of course, my sister doesn't stay with me. This and Manvi's room is essentially like a guest room. But yeah, this is again one of my favorite rooms. Again, lots of natural sunlight. This is actually a front of our house, so this is really, really good. Again, lots of grey accents. We love a good grey. The carpet is from Amazon again. This is actually a comforter that mom made from our old curtains. She is very, very, very creative. Just another sustainable hack. Get yourself a comforter made from curtains. Really good hack. We love some good fresh flowers, and these were actually sent to us during our housewarming. And a good pink colored bed. I mean, this was completely mom's choice. A very experimental bed, but I really like it. Again, this cushion is from Thyarki. They've done some really, really good job, you guys. And this was actually my idea that I got off of Pinterest. Ye maine hi likha hai, stay a while. It looks so minimalistic, right? They were like, no, you shouldn't put like a white frame or like a wooden wall. But I'm telling you, it always works. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this. We're super grounded, very grateful that we have this house now after so many years of hard work. We finally got this house and we're very happy. Welcome to the Sindwari house. By the way, I've put in a lot of research work to find these brands and also bring them to you and make this house. I swear to God, in the last 1.5 years, I've been actively researching about interiors and studying interiors. And you know, this house is like my little project. This is the first time I'm doing any sort of interior. So I'm very proud of how everything's turned out. I'm going to mention all the links of all of the brands in the description box below. So go show them some love. If you liked anything, you can of course check out their pages. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.